Hello students, today we will learn ENV lesson 9, it's raining. Now here is a story about Appu. Let's read. Appu ate bananas. Appu likes bananas very much. He plucks and eats bananas from the trees every day. Now Appu is an elephant who likes bananas. So one day he saw that the bananas trees were drooping. Drooping means leaves without water. कैसे वो हो जाते हैं, झुक जाते हैं, उसे हम ड्रूपिंग कहेंगे. It had not rained for a long time. Because it had not rained, the banana tree was drooping. Now Appu thought, I must get water in my trunk. So Appu wanted to water the banana trees. He started walking towards the river. Appu drank water till he was happy. Now first Appu drank water, then he bathed his body with his trunk. He took a bath. He enjoyed bathing. Then he carried water in his trunk and poured it on the banana trees. He filled his trunk with water and then he poured the water on the banana trees. Now as soon as the banana trees got water, they came alive. Now after the plants, they become alive. Appu said, from now on I will get water for you every day. After all, you also give me ripe and tasty bananas. तो अप्पू ने क्या कहा, मैं रोज तुम्हें भी वाटर करूँगा क्योंकि तुम भी मुझे बनानास देते हो. बच्चों, तुमको पता है ना, हम पानी जब प्लांट्स को देते हैं तो वो कैसे अच्छे फूले फूले से हो जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट. Now here are few questions. Answers to these questions are given in the notes. You read in the story that Appu watered the banana tree, but elephants don't water trees. Then where do plants get water from? Plants mostly get water from rain. When it rains, plants seem to get a new look. Now children, this was a story. So in the story, Appu watered the trees. But in reality, do the animals water the plants? No. So from where do they get water? They get water from the rain. उन्हें बारिश से पानी मिलता है plants को. So they get a new look. Now here is a poem about clouds and some things about rainbows and everything is there. So go through the poem. Next. Now the poet saw many things in the clouds. Now when it rains, now it is rainy season, isn't it? We call it monsoon also. So have you ever seen anything in the clouds? What all do the clouds do? Then there we can see rainbow. Have you seen a rainbow? It appears after the rain. And how many colors does it have? It has 7 colors. So how do you remember the colors of the rainbow? By the word Vibgyor. Then how do you feel when it rains? So we feel very happy. After the summer, when it rains, we feel very happy. We make boats. Children make boats and play in the puddles. What happens when it rains? Now what happens when it rains? The dust on the leaves gets cleaned and they look very green. So when it rains, making paper boats, floating them on water is really fun, isn't it? Yes. So with this, we have finished this chapter. This is a very small chapter and answers to all these questions I have given you in the notes. So enjoy making boats. It's a rainy season now, isn't it? Okay. Bye. Thank you.